Latok eCTD installation. Welcome to Latok Solutions Tutorials. This tutorial will illustrate the steps for the proper installation of Latok eCTD. Installation process. Steps. The installation process is very simple. Just follow 6 steps. 1. The program is received in 2 parts. Activador install.rar and install vnn.rar. 2. Extract on drive C the contents of Activador install.rar. 3. Run the setup file it contains. In the pop-up dialog, ask for password and enter the password that we assigned at Latok Solutions. 4. Create a folder named Install Latok on drive C and extract the contents of install vnn.rar. 5. Open the install folder and run the setup file. 6. Restart the PC. Installation of Activator. 1. Extract the contents of Activador install.rar. 2. Run the setup file it contains. Follow the instructions. 3. Finally, a dialog appears, where you get a chance to enter password. With this, enter the password that we assigned from Latok Solutions and press Register. Installation of Latok version. 4. Create a folder named Install Latok on drive C and extract the contents of install vnn.rar. 5. Open the install folder and run the setup file. Follow the instructions. Completion of the process. If the process has been done without problems, it will generate direct access to the program on the desktop and will open the program automatically, showing the home screen and the route to the selection of files. Finally, reboot the computer.